Assalamu alaikum students. This is unit number 16 from grammar book grade 3. In this unit you are going to learn about simple future tense, and its definition is the future tense is used to show an action that is going to take place sometime in future. It may show your intention that you want to do something in future, you are going to do something in future. You will use this tense. Look at these examples. We shall have dinner at the Sunflower restaurant. So this is we are going to do in future. They will attend a meeting next month. They need to attend, or they want to attend, or they have intention to attend a meeting next month. I shall attend the meeting tomorrow. Will you attend the meeting too? Now notice here they are using different helping verbs, shall and will. You need to know there are some helping verbs we need to use in tenses, and some helping verbs are do, does, is, am, are. Similarly, shall and will are also helping verbs. We need to use both of them in future simple tense or simple future tense. With I and with we use shall. With I and with we use shall, and with all other pronouns and nouns we use will. Okay, with I and we, these are two pronouns with which we use shall, and with all others we use will in simple future tense. The future tense is formed by adding shall or will to the stem form of a verb. So this is verb attend, here is verb attend, here is verb have. So before the verb you need to use shall or will to show that you are going to do something in future. Let's do exercise. Exercise level 1. Here they say arrange the words to form sensible sentences. Begin each sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. So they have given some words and they want us to arrange them to make a sensible sentence, means understandable sentence. So first of all you need to find subject. Subject may be a noun or maybe a pronoun. Like here you can see I. I is a pronoun and it is subject pronoun. I is called subject pronoun, so we will write here I. With I we need to choose shall or will. Here you can see shall. With I and we use shall, so we are going to write shall. We shall. After will or shall we use verb. Like here you can see wake up. I shall wake up. Wake up. Now how do you want to wake up? It's early, it's not late, so I shall wake up early when tomorrow. So tomorrow I shall wake up early tomorrow. Next is for the mistake will blame me they. First of all you need to find the subject or subject pronoun. Here we can see subject pronoun is they, so we will write they. Now because it is future tense, so we need to write will or shall, and here we can see there is will, so we will write will, they will, and after will we need to write verb, and here the verb is blame. Verb is an action word that shows something is being done or someone is doing something. The doing word or action word is called verb. So like here, wake up is doing verb or action word. Okay, so similarly here is blame is an action word, so we will write here blame. They will blame, and here is me is object, means whom will they blame? They will blame me. If there is any object in the sentence, you need to write after the verb. They will blame me. And this is the second part of the sentence, that is for the mistake. For the mistake, they will blame me for the mistake. Number 3 is the money equally the members among themselves will divide. So in this sentence we need to find first the subject, and the subject is the members. The members. And after the members we need to choose will or shall as helping verb. So we will write here will, because we know we use shall with I and we only, and all others will, and for all others we will use will. The members will, and now we need a verb, and it's here divide. The members will, divide. What will they divide? We need an object, and here is the object, the money. How will they divide? Equally. Among themselves. This was page number 54. Now let's do page number 55. This is page number 55, and number 4 is the artist next week the picture will finish painting. First we need the subject. Here is the subject, the artist, and now we need will or shall. Here is will or shall, and actually here is will. The artist will finish painting. These are all together, so we will write them together. The artist will finish painting the picture. This is object, subject, verb, and then object. And next week, in this arrangement you will write here the artist will finish painting the picture next week. Number 5, shall remind him we next Tuesday about the meeting. Now we need subject and it is we. And now we need will or shall, and here is shall. We shall remind him. All these three words will come together. We shall remind him. Now we need this is object actually. We shall remind him, and what we will remind him, it is about meeting. So this will be number 3. Next Tuesday. Next Tuesday. Number 6. Will begin at 4 o'clock the match. So here is the subject. The match will begin at 4 o'clock. The match will begin at 4 o'clock. Number 7. In December, will tour Mrs. Lin, Japan. So here is the subject, Mrs. Lin, and here is verb with helping verb. Mrs. Lin will tour Japan in December. Number 8. Very hard shall study I for the examination. So here is subject number 1, and after the subject we need shall or will, and here it is, I shall study very hard for the examination. Number 9. Miss Lee, Mr. Wills next month will marry. Here the subject is Mr. Wills, the man, and the verb is will marry, and Mr. Wills will marry Miss Lee, the woman. When are they going to marry? Next month. Number 4. Mr. Wills will marry Miss Lee next month. And number 10 is, at the hotel will sign the film stars' autographs. The subject is the film stars, and helping verb and verb are will sign, and the object autographs. The film stars will sign autographs, and where will they sign? At the hotel. The film stars will sign autographs at the hotel. This is exercise level 2 on page number 55, and they say fill in each blank with the simple future tense of the verb in the brackets. And we know in future tense, in simple future tense, we need to use will or shall and the first form of the verb. And we know that we need to use shall with I and we, and with all others we will use will. And now we have we. We shall, and we will use first form CAMP, camp. We shall camp here tonight. So this has become simple future tense. Next one is they, and with they we will write will. They will organize a picnic for the handicapped children. Next one is the students, and we will use here will perform, first form. The students will perform a dance for the old folk. Next one is I. With I, we need to write shall. I shall invite. I shall invite a few friends to my party. And number 5, Dr. Wagon will give will give a talk to the students. Next one is Santa Claus will distribute balloons at the main gate. Number 7, the police will investigate. We will write here will, first form, investigate the cause of the fire. This was page number 55. Let's do page number 66. This is page number 56 and number 8 is here. The winner will receive. As you know, with I and we will use shall, and with all others we will use will. And as you can see here, the winner, the workers, the army, the monitor, the teacher, Rosemary, it's a name of a girl, and the prime minister, Mrs. Chin. All with all these we will use will, and we will write here the winner will receive a set of books. The workers will paint the fence black. The army will attack at dawn. The monitor will collect your work tomorrow. The teacher will announce the results next Monday. Rosemary will win the storytelling contest. The Prime Minister will visit China next year. Mrs. Chen will bake a cake for us on Sunday. Now let's do exercise level 3. Fill in each blank with the simple future tense of the verb in the brackets. Children, what will you do if you are given $100? Asks Miss Lin. I shall put. I shall put it in my piggy bank, says Alex. In my piggy bank, says Alex. I shall buy. As you can see here, I. So I shall, and first form buy. I shall buy a tricycle, says Jane. What? And now here is you. So for you, we will write will. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? Maria asks Miss Lin. I don't know, says shy Maria. I know. She will hide it under her pillow, laughs Alex. No, no, she will give it all to me, cries Jane. I think I shall share it with my friends, says Maria after a while. Okay, dear students, complete this unit. Thank you.